Hello friends, welcome to our channel English Learning by Gyan. In this video we will learn the meaning of heavy in English and Hindi with example sentences. If you found this helpful, kindly hit like button and share this video to all. Heavy meaning in English is having great weight, or large in size and weight, or difficult to lift or move.
हेवी का हिंदी में अर्थ होता है भारी, वजनी, अधिक वजनदार या कठोर.
Example sentences: This box is too heavy for me to carry.
यह बक्सा मेरे लिए ले जाने के लिए बहुत भारी है.
Don't you think it might be a bit heavy?
क्या आपको नहीं लगता कि यह थोड़ा भारी हो सकता है?
He is always ready to take on heavy responsibilities.
वो हमेशा अधिक जिम्मेदारी लेने के लिए तैयार रहते हैं.
He came in spite of the heavy snow.
भारी हिमपात के बावजूद वो आया.
My book bag is very heavy.
मेरा किताबों का थैला बहुत भारी है.
This desk is too heavy to lift.
यह डेस्क उठाने के लिए बहुत भारी है.